listen to its quiet promise, we welcome you to the Echoes of Carmel, a celebration where ambition finds its voice and excellence leaves its imprint. Well, excellence isn't a destination, it is a transformation.
It is widely said that appreciation is the highest form of prayer, for it acknowledges the presence of good in everything. And that is why our school celebrated a day of recognition, honoring the students from classes 6 to 12 with full attendance and moral science awards.
These students maintained exemplary regularity throughout their school year, making them shining examples of the true virtue of Carmel. They were lauded for their dedication and praised by the school authorities. This gesture reinforces the importance of punctuality, dedication, and good moral values.
Swinging through academic excellence, we now have Pushti Singh, Shravani Dattasher, and Pratiksha Mishra, who have acted in the race to IAS National Model Civil Services Examination Mains. With their hard work, dedication, and determination, they have brought immense pride to the Carmel family, and we wish them the best for their journey ahead.
Speaking of journeys, our school underwent a journey of its own as the magnum opus of communal solidarity. The peace rally was beyond mere procession. It was a plea for global concord. The processional tapestry was woven by the fervent spirits of our honorary dignitaries, reverend sisters, respected teachers and guardians, and students, who all witnessed the academic sanctuary spill into the streets as the students of classes 9th, 10th, and 12th championed the virtues of unity and harmony.
The initiative was acknowledged in the presence of the Govinpura Constabulary. Leading the rally was Reverend Mother Pavitra and Reverend Sister Ann Joycey, followed by this sea of humanity, graced by the rhythmic precision of the school band and the disciplined poise of the NCC cadets. The peace rally eventually dissolved into solemn, patriotic echoes of the national anthem, a final vow to make our world full of understood peace.
At Carmel, we don't just believe in raising awareness, but rather calling to action, whether it be for the peace of mankind or for the conservation of a familiar species much closer to our home, like the sparrow. We celebrated the World Sparrow Day on March 18, 2026. It was a day dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of these tiny yet vital creatures in the environment.
It is said that a mediocre teacher tells, a good teacher explains, a great teacher demonstrates, but an exceptional teacher, he inspires. I congratulate Savio Sir for winning the first prize in the doubles category at the YMCA badminton tournament amongst 20 other teams.
We also congratulate Dr. Sandhya Sasi for her research paper, Women Entrepreneurship and the Development of the Indian Economy, which delves deeper into the direct relation of increase in women entrepreneurship with the overall growth of the Indian economy. She was honored by the All India Malayali Association for not just her exemplary contributions in the field of education, but also her contributions in the field of women empowerment.
Let us now begin with the sports column of our young achievers. We congratulate Shambhavi Singh of class 6th E, an orange belt holder, and Ambika Bhargava of class 6th C, a senior yellow belt holder, who both won the gold medal from the Karate Do Academy with a grade A certificate.
A very hearty congratulations to Nidhi Patil of class 10th B for securing the second rank and bagging the silver position in the Khelo MP fencing tournament held at the Tatya Tope Stadium on 30th January 2026.
And to Hetal Dwivedi, who won the first runner-up prize in the Khelo MP Youth Games football tournament held at Avdesh Pratap Singh Stadium, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh.
Carrying on with our array of accolades, it is a moment of immense pride for our school to announce that a few of our very own students have been selected to represent the state of Madhya Pradesh in the Junior National Kho-Kho Championship. The team also met with the State Sports and Youth Welfare Minister Vishwas Kailas Sarang, who bestowed upon his good wishes and words of encouragement on the team. Finishing up with our athletic dashboard, let us appreciate Avni Sharma of Class 8C for bagging the prestigious Student of the Year award for the year 2025. She was awarded this award out of 400 plus students across 5 branches of the Karate Do Academy in Bhopal.
We are so proud to announce that Chinmay Marathe of Class 9th G has won the first prize in All India Singing Competition held at Ujjain. There were several other participants where she truly represented the dominance of Carmel.
Last but not the least, a huge congratulations to Shrishti Sharma of Class 8A for her achievements at the NYAF held on March 28, 2026. She was acknowledged for her books Citadel of Eternal Echoes and Mad Science Mayhem. She was also awarded for the same with a trophy and certificate while meeting dignitaries like Meenakshi Lekhi, Deepa Malik and Anish Gawande sir. Her achievements earned her a well-deserved interview with the NDTV and a feature in the podcast of everyone's favorite Disney Channel.
And with that, we come to the close of today's bulletin. Though perhaps it's more fitting to call it the opening note of the brand new session. A new session is not just about new books or timetables. It is a chance to reset, to aim higher, and to grow beyond who we were yesterday. Within these classrooms lie stories to uncover, truth to unfold, and talents to discover. So let's move forward with resilience and confidence, because the future we dream of is built day by day, starting here. This is Ifza Nasir Khan
and Yashvi Kurchania signing off.
Good luck, Carmelites.